So there's a story going on around about Afrodancehall. Yeah, you know I would come here. And my sister Marley, shout out to Marley. Marley, listen, I don't know if Ghanaians know the sister, man, but she is just the most down to earth, regular. She good people, good vibes. But I think you could tell it's her vibrations that you really feeling besides the music. She just cool as shit. Shout out to Marley, man. And we're proud of you, girl. But anyway, about Afrodancehall. A few, I think it might have been a year or two ago, big debate popped off about the origins of Afrodancehall. As far as I know, the originator of Afrodancehall, he's been on the forefront. He has held the name up, worked tirelessly, still working. And so when this debate came up, he immediately stood up like he should and said, wait, hold up. That's my baby there. Yep, I did it for country. But you know, this is my project. And I've been speaking on this project. And then it went back and forth, you know, because some bullshit about some Grammy Awards, blah, blah, that he was not mentioned. Back and forth, they even dragged my ass into it. Anyway, simple and short. Afrodancehall, on the forefront, the brother that made it as it is, you gotta give it to him. The Stonebwoy. There's no, I don't care if you a SM fan, if you a SM air conditioner, if you are MPP, NDC, I don't care if you, whatever it is that you rep, whatever crew, we will not be lying here. We're gonna speak the truth. And the truth is, Brother Stonebwoy, Afrodancehall, you gotta give him the props. Now, the question is, why is it so important to speak on this? Well, I might be biased because of history and how y'all treated me. So here we are. You tried to pull that same bullshit with Hip Life with me, remember? Yep. Oh, you thought I forgot. Y'all tried to make like it wasn't me. Well, people are not stupid. So my younger brother, Stonebwoy, he been peep game. He must have thought, damn, that's how they gonna do Uncle Reggie? After y'all enjoyed it and still enjoying Hip Life, you're gonna come and downplay the man's work? So he immediately took a stand when it came to Afrodancehall. So as soon as you mentioned it, he was right there on the forefront, like, present. Yep. Before you do to me what you did to my uncle, or try to do to my uncle, because you know I had to fight. Yep, I did, and I still fight. You know, even though it's stupid right now, but perception is everything. I always tell you with Ghanaians, refusal to deny can mean acceptance, and so therefore if you do not speak. So now Marley blew up, and Afrodancehall is shining. But y'all gonna make like Stonebwoy should not say nothing, and all of a sudden he's being petty. Well, 2 years ago, when all y'all was being petty about the origination of Afrodancehall, you did not think that Brother Stonebwoy was being petty, did you? No. But since I told you boyfriend abre ubiedi Afrodancehall, since nena edem to the max, no. All of a sudden, some of you gonna make like the brothers being petty. Hell the fuck no. Brothers, speak your speak. Talk your shit. Yeah? Talk your shit. Because they will try to downplay your work You seen what they try to do to me. They did it to Nkrumah. Don't let them shit on your work. It's a part of your legacy, your children's children. Sikadi song. Yeah, it's a hit record. Our sister, she's doing swell to the max. But hits, they come and go. People put in work. And legacies, we all gonna die, but when we're not here, it's the work that we put in. It don't matter what I do on this green earth. When I die, you're gonna remember me for Hip Life. Yeah? But Hip Life, that's my legacy. And y'all, some of you be steady trying to fuck with the legacy and try to alter history. I never forget this shit. May she rest in beautiful peace, my auntie Amatedu. She said, Reggie, do not let them distort your history, because there's a little kid somewhere in Tamale, somewhere right now, who thinks that is Panji Anoff, the originator of Hip Life, or Zap Mallet, or some, whichever way you want to swing it. And that's not it. It's just not it. Rab is dead. My father's dead. I'm alive. Yep. So you will not be lying on me. You will not be lying on my name. No, you won't. Now, I'm not trying to evoke old sentiments or bring back old beefs. No, because we are all pieced out right now. That's not the point. But I see exactly where Stonebwoy is going with it. Yep. And I hit him up. I said, yep, I'm glad. I said, your own self, you come early. Me, my own, after I worked 30 years, me almost in here. And all of you stood by the sidelines and watched people try to take my legacy away from me. Yep. I don't get paid extra for Hip Life. No, I don't. But it is my legacy, y'all. And I work hard. Yep, I did, and I still do. And you are recipients of that hard work. All of you. And she said, man, y'all share cry. And I said, more slim cry. I said, Shatta, see me nisika. And I wasted one cry. The most that you can is Hip Life. My boy. Yep. Now, I hope in 10 years' time, none of you motherfuckers pop up saying that you invented Jawachi. Don't try it. Yeah. But it's good that he's keeping records, and he's making a fuss about it. Politely, of course. Shout out to Stonebwoy, Afrodancehall. It's a big gig. It's doing good, and it's doing swell, and you took it to the max. Pun intended. Shout out to Marley and everybody. Ghana, we move forward. Yep. Don't try and make like he being petty. Because 2 years ago, y'all was being petty about him being petty. And they seen it. Kazo met Jimmy. They seen what you did to me or tried to do to me. Nope. It's not going to happen to them. Oh, you could disagree all you want. It ain't going to change a damn thing. The food is ready. The love stays steady. To the max.
I said, "Wa quantum na ope se send sika eba Ghana. Na ope money transfer company papa se bi omo exchange rate e wo soro kese a e lemfi. Se de nyina nim no na no dollar ne pound ne sika no asay. Ba na eba form. But lemfi money transfer de de omo exchange rate no e number 1. Na ni gisem e wom kra ne say o download igu o phone so na o register we your first transaction na o use the promo code and answer referral code Bonah BONAH. O send your first $100 and answer first 100 Canadian dollars or ma $20 and answer 20 Canadian dollars back. O send €50 or ma 15 euros cash back. O send £50 or ma £10 cash back. Therefore, what you then download the Lemfi. Never a good phone so next start enjoy. Biemu so say o America na o pese o ship America cry free America eba Ghana. Bibia pese o di free America eba Ghana. Therefore, edino eba kope Box Oak Logistics. O free Box Oak akacho say and I'm the Bonah Show so and I'll tell you monka. Omo so o mecho 10% discount.